people will get sick, how many accidents will happen. किसी का पेट खराब हो गया, किसी में कुछ और रिएक्शन हो गया. Everybody is different from each other. किसी को कोई रिएक्शन होगा, किसी को कोई रिएक्शन होगा. So this is very important to know what paragraphs are saying. Come down, sorry, again. Paragraph 14, again. अब देखिए, इसको देखिए छोटा सा. Any water fitting conveying rainwater, recycled water, or any fluid other than water supplied by the water undertaking license, any fluid that is not wholesome water shall be clearly identified. कोई ऐसा पाइप वर्क आप कर रहे हैं, if you are doing a pipe work where only rain water will go, you must identify rain water pipe, ताकि गलती से भी कोई उसको पी न ले. अब दिस इज पैराग्राफ नंबर क्या है? 14 है क्या? 14 है. So now you can see the importance of these paragraphs. Forget the rules. Just study for your 1 second. Study for your own knowledge. They will help you. But they are mainly dealing with the contractors and authority and approved contractors. कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन आपके लिए भी है, लेकिन असल इंफॉर्मेशन आपकी पैराग्राफ्स में. तो ये आपकी लाइफ का हिस्सा बन जाना चाहिए. इफ यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल प्लम्बर, इफ यू आर गोइंग हाउस टू हाउस, if you are repairing plumbing sites, if you are installing plumbing materials, and even if you are DIY, again it is very important because you don't want any of your family member get sick, and people get sick because of the water contamination. And it happens because you never did proper job. You never followed the rules. You just did it in a rush, or maybe you just want to get rid of that job, and later on then you regret because there is a lot of damage is done. Okay, go down. Paragraph 15, yes. Carry on doing because we have to go now to the fittings. So up to 30, yeah. You may find some information which is not related to you, like swimming pools, or anything like ponds, or anything. Forget it. Just ignore it. Only pick up that information which needs you for as a plumber, safe plumber. Okay. So that 31 BM. As you can see, 31 is every pond, fountain, pool shall be. वो सारा बताया उन्होंने. We don't work on ponds. We don't work on swimming pools. So I'm not interested in it, because I'm working in normal domestic atmosphere. Okay? For additional information, now this information we will circulate to you. You will get on your WhatsApp the whole document, and there are two versions.